my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I'm gonna be trying out some new products by MAKARTT. So today I have the pink set of polygels, which I know I'm gonna absolutely love because you guys know that pink is my favorite color. So I know this is gonna just be great. I also have the Ocean Couture nail art kit, and then I also have the handheld nail drill. So before I get too far into this video, I want to let you guys know that MAKARTT is sponsoring 2 giveaways in honor of St. Patrick's Day. So all you have to do is make sure that you are following MAKARTT on Instagram. Their Instagram is MAKARTT_official, and then also make sure that you let me know down below. I don't know, what can you guys tell me down below in the comments? I don't know what you guys think. Maybe just comment down below your favorite color. We're gonna make it nice and simple. So again, make sure that you're following MAKARTT on Instagram at MAKARTT_official, and then comment down below and let me know what your favorite color is. Again, there is gonna be 2 winners, and you're gonna be receiving the green version of this polygel kit because it is in honor of St. Patrick's Day, and I'll be sure to announce the winners on March the 1st. So be sure that you join the giveaway so you don't miss out. But again, I'm gonna be testing out all of these products. I'm super excited because you guys know that pink is my all-time favorite color, so I just know that I'm gonna love this kit, and then I'm excited to see what's in this kit, and then I'm excited to see how the drill works. So I hope you guys continue watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alrighty y'all, so this is the handheld nail drill. So it's really easy to work. As you can see, it only has 2 buttons at the top, which is the power button and the direction button, which you can switch it to forward or reverse. And then also on the sides, I don't know if you guys seen, but it has a little thing you just scroll up and down, and that's to adjust the speed. So I was using it at a pretty high speed to remove my polygel, and y'all, I was actually amazed at how good it did. I was using my extra coarse drill bit with this. I usually use my extra coarse drill bit, but I didn't have it with me, so it did take a little bit longer to remove this the polygel, but it still did really well. Like I said, super easy to work, really light as well. It literally just comes with the drill, and then the cord that you plug in to like a little block, because it only comes with the USB cord. So then after that, after I finish removing all of the polygel, I'm gonna go ahead and pick out my products that I'm gonna be using. So the other little kit that I got was the Ocean Couture set, which came with some bling, some butterflies, and some dried flowers. So I'm gonna be using the bling and the dried flowers, and then it also came with the tweezers and this little kit of glitters, which are really cute, but I'm only gonna be using the pink one out of here since I'm gonna be doing a pink set. Alrighty, so this is what the polygel kit looks like. So it comes with a clear and 5 different shades of pink. It comes with the nail surface cleaner, the brush. It also came with the hand file, a base coat, and a top coat. So I decided that I'm not going to use the forms, or like the paper forms, or the dual forms that it come with. I'm actually going to be applying some tips. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll get right into the nails. And then also I'm going to be using these items from the Ocean Couture kit, and then at the end, you know, of course, after I finish applying the polygel, I am going to be using the drill. Oh yeah, and then I'm also going to be using this little pink glitter. So I'll see what I come up with, but whatever it is, I know that it's going to be really cute because they're going to be pink. So alrighty y'all, so I finished applying the nail tips. Now we're gonna go ahead and get started with the polygel. So I went ahead and grabbed my bead of the clear, and then I placed it closer to the cuticle area, and then I just start patting. So when it comes to polygel, it's really just a patting motion, and as you're patting, you're dragging that product down towards the tip, but you definitely want to make sure that you're not patting down way too hard, because then your polygel is gonna go on uneven. And then at the tip, I'm kind of dragging it or brushing it down to make sure that it's all nice and smooth. And also, it's super important that when you're applying polygel that you keep your brush kind of damp, So I dip it into alcohol. You can use some sort of slip solution, but I just like to use alcohol. But if you let your brush dry up, y'all, the polygel is gonna start getting stuck to your brush. So make sure that you always keep your brush wet, and then also make sure that you're steady wiping your brush off on a paper towel as well. But again, we apply the polygel and then it's just a patting motion, and it's kind of like an in-between patting and dragging, because as you're patting, we're moving that product down towards the tip. And again, y'all, it's super important that you don't drag and pat too hard, because if not, you will pat the product off the nail. But after that, before we cure, I went ahead and applied some of the dried flowers on the nail, and then I'm gonna go in with that pink glitter, and I'm gonna just apply that right over the polygel while the polygel is still wet. And we're just gonna make sure that it's on there nice and flat, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cure these two nails. Alrighty, so to cure the nails, I'm using the little nail light that it came with, and you literally just tap the top and it turns on. But now I'm gonna go in, and just like when you're doing acrylic, you have to encapsulate that nail. So I went in with it clear, and y'all, I am so sorry, but as I was recording, I didn't notice that my camera had moved. So a lot of the footage was off camera, so I tried to do my best to get as much of the footage as I can, or as I could, in this video. So I definitely apologize about that. So anyways, now we're going in with that same pink polygel, and we're just applying it over the entire nail on this middle finger. And also make sure that when you're applying it, y'all, you're dragging that product as close as you can to the cuticle area and on the sides of the nails as well. And remember, y'all, super important that you keep your brush wet as you're doing this by dipping it into alcohol or some sort of slip solution. So I did the same thing on this index finger. Y'all, look how bad that angle is. Like, I've been trying to do new things to, like, you know, get better footage of me doing nails, but just please bear with me. I promise it's gonna get better. But for this thumb, I just did a thin layer of the clear, and then I applied the same dried flowers, and then I'm going in with a little bit of glitter. And I think out of all of the nails, this one definitely has to be my favorite one. I don't know, I just absolutely liked or loved the clear look with the flowers and the glitter. It just looks so pretty. But of course, I'm going to go ahead and let that cure, and then once it's cured, I'm going to go in and encapsulate it with the clear. So after I finish doing the polygel on all of them, I'm going to go in and reshape the nails. So I'm using the hand file that it came with, and I shaped all of them up, and then I'm going to go back to using my hand drill. So I could have just went ahead and used the regular hand file, but I just wanted to speed the process up a little bit. And I'm going to go in with the sanding band, just because polygel is not how would I say it, like, it gets hard, but I feel like it still kind of has like a rubbery texture to it. And if you go in with a drill bit that's too coarse, then you would file some of that product off, if that makes sense. So I went in with my 180 sanding band, and there I'm showing you how you can speed it up and slow it down. But I'm just gonna go in and file all of my nails to make sure that they're all nice and smooth, and that I get rid of any of those little bumps and lumps, and of course sealing the acrylic around the cuticle area. So honestly, I don't know what speed I'm using my drill at, because it doesn't have like a little speed dial thing, or, you know, to tell you how fast it's going. But you kind of just want to speed it up or slow it down and just kind of see what works for you. And that's pretty much how I did it. Alrighty, so I ended up doing a little bit of everything. I went in with the 180 sanding band. I also went in with my hand file, and then I ended up switching over to the fine drill bit, and just finishing it off with this one, just because I just needed to go ahead and, you know, make sure that they were nice and smooth. And this one definitely fouled off a little bit more than the 180 sanding band, which was completely fine, because I did have a few bumps and lumps here and there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this off. Now, I did notice that the kit does not come with a buffer, so I did go ahead and use one of my buffers to buff the nails to make sure that they're all nice and smooth. After I finished doing that, I went ahead and dusted the nails off, and then I'm just wiping them off with a little cleanup solution. And then I'm gonna go in and apply some bling. Now I didn't have the glue that I usually use for my bling, so I'm just using the KDS glue. So it was a little bit harder because it takes, or this glue dries a lot faster, so I kept having to go in and apply more and more glue. But I'm just gonna fill in the entire nail with this bling. This is the kit that was out of the Ocean Couture kit. The bling is super shiny, and I love how it has a good variety of bling. It came with like some ABSS 6, some 10, some 12, 16, and maybe 20. And then it also came with some of the bigger pieces as well. And again, they're all super shiny. Alrighty, so I'm finishing up this pinky, and then now for the rest, I'm just going to go in and do some random designs with those same stones. For this one, y'all, it came with this really cute heart bling, so I'm going to go in and apply that one right in the middle, and then I'm going to apply more bling around it. For the index finger, I'm just going to outline the cuticle area with the bling, and that's pretty much going to be it. Alrighty, so after I finish applying the bling, I'm going in with the MAKARTT top coat. I'm going to apply that on all of the nails, and then I'm going to go in and cure for 60 seconds. Alrighty, y'all, so this is how they turned out. As you can see, they look really good. I love the different shades of pink, and I'm just absolutely in love with those flower nails. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the little bell so you are notified every time that I post, and don't forget to join the giveaway.